Today I'm going to be planting 3 walnuts. I'm going to install a rack in the container to hang up all the tools and organize it inside, which is a little bit messy at the moment. And I'm going to be testing my new rifle. Fun day. And next I'm going to be planting these walnut trees from the variety Tular. And these 3 trees are going to do a good barrier with my neighbors, so it's going to create a lot of shade. And apparently the nuts of this tree are really good, really tasty. So we grafted already, so they should be pretty much good to go. Yeah, these trees are relatively big, so I'm gonna have to make a pretty deep hole. Yeah, this cane bedroot, which is it's not bad. It's actually probably even better because the roots kind of spread, or they don't come packed like in a pot. So just gonna add some dirt, spread the roots. And I buy these trees from the company TTGA. They're in California. They ship it to Texas. And they have a warranty actually, which is pretty neat. If they die, you send the dead tree back and they get you a new one. Which for one tree may not make sense, but for a ton of trees it could. And while the tree is half buried, I'm just gonna water it. Now that I have water, oh, this is amazing. This is amazing. Finally the water well is working. One more time water before I put mulch around. Pretty much like so. I make a pretty big bed around the tree. And just is recommended not to have too much mulch touching the trunk. So like this, just like that, 3 beautiful walnut trees. And the next project today is going to be taking care of this corner, which is a mess. So I'm going to build a rack where I can hang all the tools right here. This is a little bit of a mess at the moment. So since I don't want to drill or bolt on the container, I'm going to be using these hooks. It's pretty much spaced evenly. And finally I can do some cleaning. So how is this going to work? Let me show you. I'm going to put an eyeball. Another one in this side. And this is the rack system that I'm going to mount. Let's see how flimsy or solid it looks like. And all the hooks. Oh, very nice. It comes with some straps for hoses, cables. I think I have room for 2 of these. Yeah, this is the way it works. It's like a J hook that goes in here, and kind of like a slide around. Alright, let's see how this works. So just put this one like this and boom, lock it. Pretty cool. It comes with individual hooks. And to get it out, oh, pretty easy. Pretty easy. So I'm going to be using this chain and carabiners, so I can hook this up from the top of the container. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright, let's go test it out. Golly, this is heavy. Oops, oops. One. Two. So far it's looking good. Let's start adding weight. Post hole digger. Good. Shovel number 1, shovel number 2. Rakes. Put the rake over here. Hoe. Another rake. Cable. Rope. Look at this, looks so much better. And I left this extra wood here and in the other side so I can buy hooks and just drill them directly into the wood and use it to hang some of the viscous tools that I have in this side. But so far, pretty nice. Pretty nice, and all this now is clear. I also recently got this Ruger 1022 rifle. There is the one that I'm using to take care of raccoons and other predators around the farm. And I went with this one, which is the one with the stainless steel barrel, because it's going to be stored here in the container. So usually there's quite some humidity, and I don't want the barrel to get rusted. So I bought these magnetic hooks, and these are like perfect to store the rifle. Right there. And to be honest, I haven't tried the rifle yet, so let's give it a try and see how much I suck. 50 meters. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm gonna be just under this tree right there. Holy moly, 50 meters is far. I can barely see the can. Oh, just at the bottom. Well, I guess I'm gonna quit while I'm winning. I don't know if I need to be happy about the precision of the rifle or my eyesight. I'm surprised that I hit it 50 meters. Pretty nice rifle. I don't like to have a run on the chamber. So this is gonna be all for today. Thank you for watching.